Hello and welcome to one of the most charming small cities in Western Washington. If you're looking for a community that still celebrates the 4th of July, does harvest festivals and spring flower festivals, and has parks, local restaurants, and all kinds of activities all within walking or biking distance from your home, then Orting is the city for you. It's small town living within a short commute of JBLM, downtown Tacoma, or public transit to downtown Seattle. It's also centrally located with access to all of Western Washington's best recreation. You got Mount Rainier, camping, skiing, fishing, or the Puget Sound and the Pacific Ocean and all those beaches. All of them within an easy drive. Our home today is in the Carbon River Landing neighborhood on the north end of town. Homes in the Carbon River Landing frequently sell in the 600,000s, but this little beauty is one of the most affordable in the neighborhood and will be listed in the high 400s. That's a heck of a deal. It's a well-maintained home. It features updated bathrooms, newer hot water tank, and the primary suite features its own ensuite bathroom and a walk-in closet. Whether you are just starting out, downsizing, or just looking for an affordable move-in ready home in a wonderful neighborhood and a charming little town, this home is worth a look.